In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage a Google Ads Manager account, also known as MCC or My Client Center. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to effectively manage multiple Google Ads accounts under one umbrella, making your digital advertising efforts more streamlined and efficient. To get started, we'll begin by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. Open your browser and enter the URL ads.google.com. You'll find yourself on the main page where Google offers various online advertising solutions to help you attract customers and increase sales. This is the gateway to your Google Ads journey. Next, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed on the top right of the page. Click on that button. This will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. Be sure to use the account that you want associated with your Google Ads MCC, as this is crucial in accessing and managing your future campaigns effectively. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home screen. Here you'll have an overview of your existing campaigns, if any. For our purpose of setting up a Google Ads MCC, focus your attention on the top menu where you'll find the Tools and Settings option. Hover over this menu and a drop-down will appear, presenting several options for managing your Google Ads account. From here, navigate to the Admin section. Clicking on Admin will take you to a central dashboard where you can access various administrative features related to your account. This section is vital for setting up your MCC because it allows you to control who has access and how your accounts are organized. The next step involves accessing the access and security settings. Within the Admin section, find this tab and click on it. The Access and Security page is your go-to for managing user permissions and ensuring that your account is secure. This is where you can add or remove users and assign them appropriate roles. Now focus on the next tab labeled Managers. Here you can see a list of accounts that are currently managed under your MCC. This is also where you can invite others to manage different Google Ads accounts or add new accounts to your existing MCC. Click on Managers to open up the options available to you. By following these steps, you're now set up to efficiently manage multiple Google Ads accounts through your MCC. This organizational structure not only simplifies managing your campaigns, but also enhances collaboration if you're working with a team. Remember, keeping track of who has what level of access is key to maintaining secure and effective advertising operations. Thank you for watching this guide on setting up and managing a Google Ads MCC. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates, and happy advertising.